Hello all. Now we are going to install automatic water level controller. This one controller and for this one is sensor. Okay, let me see how to install. This one common line, this one sump low, sump high, sump full. For these 4 points for underground tank, and this common for overhead tank. This one for overhead tank low, overhead tank high, normal high, overhead tank high. These 4 lines for overhead tank, and this one for flowing line. So we have to loop the common and FL. When we loop these lines, here the flowing indications are shown. Let me see the connection diagram. This one is the input line, input live and neutral. We are giving the live line to here. This is live line and black is the neutral line. And take the phase line from here and loop to here, and the motor output line is this point. Let me show you. Take a piece of wire, connect this wire to the live line, and the other end to third point. Initial first 2 points phase neutral, and the third point is the common point. Take the live line from the first point and give to the third point, and the fourth point is the output line. So connect the motor live line to this point. For demonstration purpose, we are using the LED bulb. Consider this LED bulb as a motor. Okay. Now the motor output line, this one is giving the fourth point. and this one is a neutral point. Consider this one as a motor. So we are giving the output line on the fourth point, this point. Let's see, brown line is the output line, and blue is the neutral line for the LED bulb. Now this part of the connection is completed. Now we are giving the sensor lines. Sensor line. First point is the common point for the underground tank. Next point, underground tank low level. This point is the first low level of the underground tank. And next, high level. And the underground tank full. This point, next point. These are the 4 wires we have to place in the underground tank. Let you show the underground tank placing. Consider this tank as an underground tank. Now we are putting the sensor in the underground tank, and now I am going to turn on. Yeah, the controller turned on. It's showing drive. Now we place the sensor. First we are going to place the common line, red wire on the underground tank. Next yellow wire, low level. Next, high level. Now the tank is in the high level, some underground tank. The LED shown, LED glow up. Now we are going to put the full level sensor. Now tank is full. So this is now you have to put the sensors like this. There are first bottom of the tank red line, and mid yellow line, and after blue line and green. Now the underground tank process completed. Now we are going to put the overhead tank. Let me see. For overhead tank, repeat the same process. First line, common line. Next, tank low line. Next, tank high line. And next, tank full line. And we have to additionally add one line, that is flowing line. Just loop the flowing line with the common point. Now we are going to place the overhead tank sensor same as the underground tank sensor. Let me show. Now the overhead tank line connections are given as same as underground tank. Now we are placing the sensor in the overhead tank. Consider this tank as a overhead tank. Now we are placing the common sensor. This point is the common point. Next this point is the low level point. Next blue point is the high level point, and green is the full level point. Turn to auto mode. Now I powering on. Powered on. Now the motor is turned on. Now you see the flowing LED is glowing. Now the light is turned on. See, there is no water, so the motor is running. If we add the water, the motor will stop. Let me see that. We are adding the water. See the low light blinks. Second high level light is also blink when it reaching this level. When the tank reaches full, the motor off. You see the LED bulb have turned off. Here 3 lights indicates the tank full. Here let's see this. When reaching the green sensor water level, the motor turned off. In case of any issues like high voltage, the light indicates. Dry pump, in case of sump, in, in case of sump is empty, the dry pump indicates dry pump. That's all. Here the like this is the installation video, and thanks for watching.